Before you begin, always start with intention. Bathrooms come first, because water needs time to work and time to dry. Turn on the lights, see everything clearly. Good cleaning starts with visibility. Now begin with the toilet. To clean a toilet properly, you only need a few things: 2 cloths, your multi-purpose cleaner, and bleach. Keep your tools with you. Stay organized. Start with light dusting. At this stage, nothing is contaminated. Use a slightly damp cloth with a small amount of multi-purpose cleaner. Remove surface dust from the toilet, the flush area, and nearby fittings. Work gently. This is preparation, not deep cleaning. Now move to disinfection. Take your bleach and spray it around the toilet seat, under the rim, and inside the bowl. Let the bleach sit. This matters. While the bleach works, you don't wait. You move on. This is how professionals save time. Use a toilet brush, either the client's or one from your kit. This keeps your hands safe. Pre-brush the seat area, the hinges, and the bowl. Work methodically from the outside in. No rushing, no force. Let the product do the work. Once brushed, leave the toilet. Clean the tap. Clean the sink. Clean the mirror. If there is a second toilet, repeat the same process. Consistency matters. Now return to the toilet. The bleach has done its job. Take the cloth you used on the bathroom sink. Add a small amount of multi-purpose cleaner. Always work from top to bottom. Start with the wall if needed, then the flush area, then the metal fittings. Every edge, every detail. White toilets show dust easily. Your job is to remove it, not spread it. Clean the lid, inside and out. Use light pressure. A toilet should never take more than 2 minutes when done correctly. Now wipe around the seat and the outer bowl. Use a little more multi-purpose if needed. Bleach is not always necessary here. Precision is. Remember, the inside has already been disinfected. Use your cloth once more to wipe everything down. If you prefer, wear gloves. Notice that your hands are not touching anything dirty. That's because you used the right tools, in the right order. Flush once, close the lid, give the toilet a final wipe, step back, check your work. Clean, disinfected. Finished. Now the most important rule. The cloth you used on the toilet is finished. It goes straight into your dirty cloth bag. It is never reused. This prevents cross-contamination. This protects the next room. This protects your standard. This is not about effort. It is about method. Clients may not see every decision you make, but they always feel the result. Ealing Clean. Every detail matters.